Okay, this is Patches, creature, hide. This looks quite interesting. Why would you make a... Oh, it has a patch. A rebel repels any amount of damage when attacked. Okay. Seems quite interesting. So let's go back and check out these other cards. Yeah, this one is called Play Dead, and it adds 25 shield when attacked. And that's going for a price of 0.058 ETH. This one is I don't even know how to pronounce it, but that looks like it's some kind of plant creature, and that price is going for 0.064 ETH. So that's quite interesting. Them Dumler. I don't know how to pronounce that either, but his price is 0.083 ETH. This one is a herb heal. Not gonna pronounce it, but that's an elf, and it adds 50 shield and attack. So this is a pretty cool game, and we can see here that people actually, like, there's been a transfer 3 years ago, a month ago, 5 months ago, airdrop, list, sale. They had a sale, someone sold this, and then, you know, that happened, and then this person put it up on a list as well for hire, and then people offered, but like I don't think they took the offer, because as you can see they bought it for 0.02. They could have taken these offers, which is 0.05, because they would have made a 0.03 profit, but I think they just really wanted to make 0.1 ETH out of it. Maybe they felt the card was rare, things like that, or maybe they just didn't check Opensea all that often. But yeah, you can see these cards are, some of them look really rare, like this one. This is gold. nice name, Till. That's so easy. That's a creature, and it has poison tongue and adds 40 damage when attacking. So if we look down here, we can actually see this was an airdrop, and then they listed it, and then 10 months ago they had it at 0.15, then 5 months ago they had it for 0.08, and then 23 days ago they brought it all the way back up to 0.12 ETH. I guess no one's just really buying that right now, but yeah, it's quite interesting nevertheless. Let's check out this one. So she's called the Doctor, and she's human, I guess. Superior wit, adds 20 shield and 40 damage. Okay, so then this we can see here maybe. Oh wow, this got minted by like someone, and they made a sale for 0.1 a year ago.